Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we're going to discuss how to get free gems on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Clash of Clans game and you will be taken into your home village. From here, you can find your gems counter at the top right section. If you tap on the plus button, you will see various different options to get more gems. However, these are all paid options. So if you wish to get gems, then you will either need to spend your real world cash, or the other option is to win various different matches by using the attack menu. After tapping on attack, you can find a match by using your coins, and every time you win a match, you will be rewarded with various different coins, gems and other rewards. And through this process, you will be able to win gems for free. However, if you want a lot of gems without grinding through the game, then the only option is to use the purchase market. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about getting free gems within the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.